the mouth. And every time when they talk, look my mouth, look at my mouth. Mouth, they pain me. This way, they pain me. My throat, my chest, my back, my waist, my belly, the belly. Now so the boy shout, see. So that since he don't talk, say.
Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so now they fine. Una do what una take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. My people, many of una don't see this picture of this small boy, 12 years old boy. Now, wow, my God, may his soul rest in perfect peace. I don't know as I take talk. When I dey hear the story, I just dey cry because how person go dey body house, he go school. Hi, my people, more na no vex, because nobody go hear wetin happen to now. We no go dey weak like this. As I dey see all the video, the thing dey make me, I no fit dey even dey look am sef. That is why I no want me I be talk about this story. I no fit watch am, see the cry, see the pain. Baba God, why? Small children wey never reach any age, maybe because na 12 years. Those one dey fit be 15 years, you just get mind to do small pikin, to do person like you, like this. And they call the talk say na football, na go play. I'll put the video now here as if father take the talk. Wetin happen? Because they even the suspect say how you go play football, say now you fall. Now all this thing just dey your body. If they touch your eye, if they touch your eye, if they touch your anything, they even they carry and they call they even the feel say wetin dey happen before I come they tell them. Wanna see the kind of fear when they put for a body, make for not talk. Wetin happen for them? Mothers, mona be careful. Mona dey watch una children well. If una see say something dey wey get as e be for e body, mona ask am question. Tell am say na you born am, nothing wey you go hide for me. Tell me, because someday they go tell them say they go try to them say make they not talk. They really they not talk. Maybe don't say where they pass all this thing. Fear not let it tell am to a family. Because as e dey body house, hi God, Baba God, abeg may you go give the family strength, because e no easy. Pikin wey you send go school, e no sick, nothing do am. Just because of all this more we dey call them piccolo delinquenti. Night alone they call them piccolo delinquenti. Now they call these people. Small children wey never even reach 18 years. See wetin dem do. All this when they don't grow, they go do wonder. Hey, Jesus is Lord. This Sylvester, oh God, I dey watch the video, the thing dey pain me, because I no fit enter inside there help am. They go hold am for there. God abeg. Why all these things? Why the hate? Why they get that wicked heart? Pikin wey just dey grow come out, children wey just dey grow, now just get that wicked heart like this. See now the pikin don kpai. May I put the video more na hear wetin father talk.
He don't play any ball. He don't fall safe. Senior students where be these boys where they mention, they walk into the room for the hostel. As they enter, light they on. Nobody laying there. Other children same day. As they enter, they put off the light. Now they start to the beat up. First they use belt, take the whip up. He fall from the bed. They started the master with leg, kick him, stand on the waist until at the end they go put something for him mouth. Nobody know what they put for him mouth. The boy himself say, he don't know, but they put something for him mouth. And every time when they talk, look my mouth, look at my mouth. Mouth they pain me. This way they pain me. My throat, my chest, my back, my waist, my belly, the belly. Now so the boy shout, see. So that since he don't talk, say they beat him, they match him. We come and go do X-ray and scan. So the scan say blood quick come out later on Monday. Me I dey Asaba. That's okay. I go rush come. I don't call Ogara Teaching Hospital. The doctors there, 2 doctors. They say make we quick come. Then they wait for emergency ward. They wait for us. So but before I from Asaba, police worry that Tuesday the boy don't die. The mouth don't peel finish. So if you see the pictures, you go know say that don't be ordinary peeling. Now the chemical where they give and drink, 9 pill amount. They say liver, the scan shows the liver don't swell up for inside. So, then swollen back, swollen head, side, chest, all those things. I waited the scan talk. But we know the scan and go to specialist hospital before they die. He said the boys then be 5 wey enter the room, but na 3 he mention, they be senior, na say him talk. So make they bring those boys, make they question them, make the school come tell us wetin happen. Then if na ball the person they play, na only one person they play ball, make they bring the people wey follow the boy play the ball. Make they bring the arts masters wey supervise the children when they play ball. The boy don't talk say na in room in there. Make they bring him mates wey dey inside room with am. When they beat am, they mash am. My pikin now, today he don't die. In a sacrifice. Now he bring out the secret, say this kind of thing they exist. So if parents will get that kind of pikin, no talk put, no problem. But me as a father and my family will go talk put. Make my pikin get justice. Make they bring those boys. I want the truth. Now what I want from the government? What I want from the school? The school, academically, then try. My children will finish from the school. All of them do well. Now I make they carry pikin, they go to school. Will they pay plenty money now? You go pay plenty money, go kill your own pikin. Money where we pay, now I kill my pikin. Because we feel say academics they try, but administratively they fail. They not try at all. I go leave children for one place. No master they supervise them. Even if they fight die, nobody go fit tell say these children they fight die. CCTV camera self, they say they not get. How? Which kind of school be that? All these millions where would they pay? You see? That's justice me I want. You see? If the school come say the truth, I get anything against the school. Not me they send children to go beat. But there's no way the school authorities, arts masters, go say, they not know say bad boys in that school. They're not going to talk am. Because other parents too, by the grace of God, go cry out the harassment and bullying. By the grace of God, they go cry out. And also say, they do want to lay this my pikin. Not because my pikin die, other ones go quiet and not sure. And they say I'm online. My children say they call me, they tell me. See, parents they cry. Other people say they cry out. Lawyers too, they cry out. That's justice I want. What did the Lagos state government do? Now the best thing they do. I like them. May they not put the school until my pikin get justice.